I'm going to repeat once again what is motion and how many types of motion. So change in position with respect to time is called motion, and there are many four different types of motions given in your chapter: rectilinear, circular, rotational, and periodic. Now our next topic is speed. So what is an definition of speed? It is given that speed of an object is the distance traveled by it in unit time. Here is the definition of speed. Speed of an object is the distance traveled by it in a unit time. Okay, there is a formula of speed, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, it means the distance traveled by an object, okay, in a given time is known as speed. Okay, if we come on our next page, then there is given, we can rearrange this formula of speed. If we ask how many distance traveled by an object in a given time, then we multiply speed and time, then we can calculate how much distance traveled by an object. In another case, if you want to find out what time taken to cover the distance, so we divide distance traveled by object with speed, then so these are the formulas which you use to calculate various types of calculations. Okay, after that we have to read what is unit of speed. Given the unit of speed depend upon the unit of distance and the unit of time used. It means the unit of speed is defined with the help of unit of distance and unit of time. The unit of speed is commonly meter per second. What is meter per second? Meter is the unit of distance and second is the unit of time. So basic unit of speed is meter per second. Another unit of speed is meter per minute. Meter per minute, where meter is the unit of distance and minute is the unit of time. There are some larger speed values expressed in unit is kilometer per hour. So larger unit of speed is kilometer per hour. Kilometer is the unit of distance and hour is the unit of time. Our next topic is speedometer and odometer. What is speedometer? Speedometer is an instrument on vehicle dashboard which indicates the speed of the vehicle when it is running. It's called speedometer. Speedometer is the instrument which is used to calculate the running speed of vehicle. It's called speedometer. The speedometer has the symbol kilometer per hour written on its dial. This figure you see in your car and bike also. This is called speedometer, which tell you how much distance you travel in a given time. And what is odometer? So odometer is an instrument for measuring the distance traveled by the vehicle. Okay, so odometer record the distance traveled by the vehicle, and this is the odometer and this is speedometer. Okay, so odometer is an instrument which is used to calculate the distance traveled by the vehicle. So speedometer is another thing and odometer is another thing. Here are some numericals which we have to read. So read this numerical. Okay, now I will explain your next topic. So please read this chapter carefully. After that I will teach you measuring speed and this all.